Well, here in central Georgia, we had a very cloudy and very rainy weekend. We're just now finally starting to find some sunshine, and you may have found yourself wondering, what is the cause of all of this dreary weather this weekend? It's a weather pattern that we haven't quite seen the last of, and you actually may have heard us talk about it in the past. It's called the wedge, but let's go ahead and break down what this actually is. The wedge begins when a high-pressure system sets up over the northeast. Because of its clockwise motion, it draws a cool northeasterly flow that becomes trapped or dammed against the eastern side of the Appalachian Mountains. This forces the flow further to the south, and it pushes into north and central Georgia. This is why the wedge is scientifically known as cold air damming. But what does this mean for our weather? Well, similar to conditions we had this weekend, the wedge causes cooler and cloudier weather, and we often have some steady rain as well. But luckily, a wedge event typically eliminates the chance for severe weather, which is one positive to all of the dreary conditions. Wedge events can also be hard to forecast because it can be difficult to determine just how far south the flow can reach. Now, wedge events can happen year-round, but they're most common in the winter, especially during December and March. So as our summer officially comes to a close, you'll certainly be hearing about this pattern a whole lot more. With your Weather IQ, I'm meteorologist Ansley Parker.